I wonder what they use this whip for. What the hell is this? A choker? The kids' room. Okay, where all that extra. I mean, I guess, but they're there for a reason. This puppet seems to appear everywhere for some.